Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
It's one small step for man,
Science rules.
one giant leap for mankind.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Did you know that the Earth goes around the Sun and the Moon goes around the Earth in a very predictable cycle? Very predictable. Not everything's like that. See, the Moon is always the same. It never changes. It's the same size and shape, round like a ball. But it looks different to us here on Earth because of the way sunlight hits it. That's right, moonlight is really sunlight. And it changes because the moon is going around the Earth and the Earth is going around the sun. Everything's just going around. Okay, let's say that this baseball diamond is the orbit of the moon. Now, the diamond's square and the orbit's round, but you get the idea. Now we need a sun. So let's say that the Earth is on the pitcher's mound. Now see, by the way, the scale of this globe and this moon are about right with respect to the orbit of the moon. That's the baseball diamond. Now notice that right now, when you're standing on the Earth, you can't see the moon at all. This is what we call a new moon. And the reason you can't see it is the moon is between you and the sun. Now the moon orbits the Earth in this direction. So when the moon gets to first base, it's a half moon because sunlight is falling on half of it. Huh? Then it keeps running to second. Now when the moon's back here at second, it's a full moon. That's because the moon is on this side of the Earth. And here's a trick. The moon's orbit isn't flat. It's tilted. So a lot of times, when the moon's back here, will be way up here. But notice it's still a full moon. And this is why most of the time, the Earth's shadow doesn't fall on the moon. It's almost always full. Got to keep moving. On to third. So over here at third, it's a half moon again. But look, the shadow's on the other side. That's because we're on the other side of the Earth. Well, time to break for home. So with the orbit set up like this, the moon would end up right on home plate. The moon scores a home run every month. Well, that's astronomy for you. Or baseball. Well, I guess it's both.